How to fix the issue of Microsoft Excel not working. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Settings application on your device. From the left hand side menu, go to Application. Choose the option of Installed App. Now here in the list of all the installed applications, search for Microsoft Office. You can simply type at the top in the search box or scroll down in the AM alphabet section. Once you find, you can simply click on three dots beside it and choose the option of Modify. Once you do, this window will appear on your screen. Choose the option of Repair and click on Continue. Once the repair has been completed, you will be able to fix the issue with Microsoft Excel. So that's it. Just like that, the Microsoft Excel problem will be fixed. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.